friends, now I got a figure here and we should find out the values of these shapes. If you take square, you should make the square as a number, and you should if this is an 15, this should also be a 15. We should do like that, and total the sums of all the numbers should be 33. So look at the first equation, that is square plus triangle, that is equal to 33. So when you take as square plus triangle is equal to 33, let us consider square as 0, 0, and absolutely this should be 33. When you take this, now if 0, 0, 33, we can do this triangle as a 33. When you take a 33, you get this and this as a 0. When you get this, let's see the second equation, that this is done. So we find out something here. Before that, we find out something here, that 33 is an odd number. So 33 is an odd number. When this is an odd number, somewhere it should be an even number. So when you take as this is 1, 1 odd number, and this is should be a 31 even number, you can do like that, or you can do anything like that, but there should be a even number or an odd number here, because this is an 33. So when you see this, now even number is nothing but that even number can be divided by two numbers, divided by 2. So when you take you can take 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 16 plus 16 32. Like that you should divide it. 32 and divided by 2 is equal to 16. Like that you should divide it. So when you take this, now uh, uh, you can't divide 33 into two parts. You can't divide 33 into 2. So you can't divide this, so you take that is an odd number. And one more thing, when you can't divide a number into 2, it's called an odd number. So now let us see that even plus even number is equal to even number only. When you take as even plus odd is equal to odd number. When you take odd plus even, odd plus odd is equal to even, because you're dividing this into 2. So we got these, and let us look at the first expression. When this is an even number, this should be an odd number. If this is an even number, this should be an odd number. Okay, 0 we can't consider as 0. Let us take it as 1. So wait, let us move on to the second expression. When we take that, we got here 0. Let us apply that 0 only for all squares. So 0 plus circle is 33. Now you can't divide the 33 into 2, and this is in 0 means nothing. So this is not there here. Only you should divide these into 33. So when you take that, you can't divide 33 into 2. So 2. So you can't take square as 0. So we got to know that square cannot be 0. When you get to know that square is not 0, now let us consider it as 1 and 1, and this will become 31 here. And when you take like that, when this is in 1, and 32 is here, 16, 16 you can take it. We got to know that square is equal to 1, and we'll consider this circle is equal to 16. And let us see the third expression. When you take the third expression, you take triangle, circle, triangle is equal to 78. So what you got is triangle, circle and triangle is equal to 70. When you get this, you already know that this is equal to, circle is equal to 16. When you go 16, let us make 78 minus 16. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, and 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. When you get 62, now you got 62 as the answer, and cut this. You have these both, triangle plus triangle is equal to 62. You get lastly. So 62 is an even number that it can be divided by 2. So when you get that, triangle plus triangle is equal to 62. You get a triangle as 31. And now you can identify one more thing in the figure. And now let us check our answers. Now square plus triangle is equal to 33. Square is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And triangle is equal to 31. 2 plus 31, 33. This is correct. This is correct. And let us see this. Square plus circle is equal to 33. Let us see. 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. This is also correct. And let us see the last row. That triangle plus circle plus triangle is equal to 78. One circle is there, two triangles are there. First, let 31 plus 31, 62 we got. And the 16, 62 plus 16 is 78. That these everything are correct. And finally we solved this picture. And even when you see this picture, you identify something, that if you take, this is square triangle 33, square triangle 33. Do you see that these both are same? Now let us check the second column and second row. Now square circle 33, square circle 33. When you take these also as triangle circle triangle, circle triangle is equal to 78. Here also you see triangle circle triangle is equal to 78. You got to see that also, that everything is same. That's why you got the same answers here. And for today's class, we got to know that this we got to know this picture. Thank you.